Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Mimi's Makeup. In this video, I'm gonna talk about Glam / Shein makeup brushes. I tried two sets of these brushes. Actually, they are the same brush, but they are in two different sets, like in different numbers. Some brushes are like the same, but not too much. So my baby got me this brushes, so thank you, baby. And I tried this makeup set or makeup brush set for this makeup look, so I'm gonna link in the card description box down below if you didn't watch this makeup video. I just used these brushes to apply all that makeup. I just for the lip gloss and underneath my eyes I use this kind of a round brushes, because I use the lip brush applying something underneath my eyes, I guess I can remember. So there's no other brush that I can use like small enough to apply my lip gloss, so I decided to use this brush, round brush. And there's another round brush, like a medium-sized one, applying powder underneath my eyes because I forgot my beauty blender inside of my sponge in the room inside with the cats, and I didn't want to open the door because I have like 4 cats and 1 baby cat, and if I open the door they will be everywhere, and as I have my makeup set they will just go crazy because they always want to be with me in the same area, so it will be a disaster. So I decided to use another brush, but otherwise I use this set for this makeup. So if you want to see it, go and check this out. It's a demo trying camera video, but this video is a full review for these brushes. If you don't know me, I am crazy about brushes. Number one thing that I think about when I begin to apply makeup or buy new stuff is makeup brushes. I'm crazy about makeup brushes. I have a lot of makeup brushes, and I know if they are good brushes only from pictures. And when I saw these, I just okay, these brushes are very good, but I really want to try them out, and I got them. My baby got them to me, and they are amazing. They are cheap comparing to other brushes, and at the same time they are amazing. First of all, they are super soft, super soft, and they are really dense. Some of the face brushes that I used, this is another brush that I didn't use these two, but as you can see, these are very soft brushes. Oh my god, the softness is amazing. I use this one for the foundation. It applies the foundation perfectly. I usually use this one from BH Cosmetics, a flat top, but it's dirty, sorry for that, but I always use this one. It's really amazing applying foundation. But this one apply foundation very nicely. If you're gonna go and see the makeup tutorial, you're gonna see. No, I didn't record that part. I usually record it, but I didn't. Okay, but can you see the foundation? It's amazing. The application was so amazing. I used as usual, I used Catrice foundation, and I mixed it with a little bit of Milani, just a little bit to make it more full coverage because it's kind of a festive makeup, but it's amazing. And this one for powder is so soft, and I blended my concealer with this one, as you can see. Can you see that? It's amazing. The brushes are so amazing. This one for contour, it's the perfect one for contour. It fits my face perfectly, and it's really soft, and apply my contour in a really nice way, in a really soft way. The color application was so soft. I didn't use any new makeup. I just used the brushes only new to see the difference between this set and the brushes that I used to apply my makeup with. So these brushes are amazing. the application, I use this one. I love this one. I didn't have one like this before. It's kind of a small fan one, and apply my contour with it. And with the application of the contour was so amazing. Can you see the contour, how it's so perfect? Wow. And I use this one. It's kind of a smaller brush that I usually use for blush. I always use this Real Technique multitasker brush for my blush. This one was so good. It's kind of a smaller brush. I guess you can use it for contour as well, but for me the application of the blush is so soft, amazing. I felt like I didn't need to dust it off, like having this filter effect as I usually do, but I just did it anyway. But it was so amazing. Oh my god, I can describe how these brushes are super soft and super dense. Oh my god, they are amazing. Of course, there is a bunch of brushes that I didn't use yet because there's a lot of eye brushes, and okay, this brush is one of my favorite. I used it once before for the crease area, and it's amazing. You can, of course, it's a multitasking brush, but this kind of a brush, I didn't have one like this before and I really wanted to have it. So this one is amazing, still soft, still amazing. So these are two sets together. I'm gonna link it in the description box down below, the links of these two sets. I guess the 112 and 115, or 18 and 115, I can't remember because I have them all like together in front of me. I didn't use all of them, but they are amazing. So if you are looking for a really nice brush, really good quality brush, just help you to apply your makeup in really perfect way, but in the same time you want something really cheap that you can afford, especially if you are a student or still in the beginning of your journey, or you are a makeup artist still in the beginning of your journey and you need to build up your set. Buy these brushes. They are so soft, so dense, and so amazing. So recommended. This is the second thing I tried from Glam or Shein for makeup part, and they are amazing. Of course, I tried that clothes and they are so beautiful. But for makeup, brushes is the first thing I always think about before I buy makeup from the same brand, and the brushes are so good, so recommended. So yeah, this is for this review. I really hope it was helpful and I show you the brushes or some of them. They are so soft, so dense, and I give them like 100 thumbs up, of course. And of course, I will be so happy if I tried a new sets from Glam. So yeah, good job, Glam. So this is for this review. I really hope you like it, and as usual, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and share the video with your friends if you like it. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Facebook. These links will be in the description box down below. And don't forget to hit the bell button so you have a notification every time I upload a new video on my channel. And I'm gonna see you soon in my next video. Love you so much. Bye.